In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Canva Design to Word document, save Canva as Word document. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your Canva work into Microsoft Word using two simple approaches, depending on the type of design you're working with. First, let's cover the most universal method, which works for nearly any Canva design. Open your Canva design and head to the top right corner. Click Share, then Download. In the File Type options, choose PDF Standard. This version is optimized for on-screen use and typically converts more cleanly into an editable Word document than a print-focused PDF. Click Download and let Canva prepare the file. If your design has multiple pages, the PDF will include them all, preserving the order. Next, switch over to Microsoft Word. Open Word, go to File, then Open, and select the PDF you just downloaded from Canva. Word will let you know it's about to convert the PDF into an editable document. That's expected. Click OK to proceed. Depending on the complexity of your Canva layout, text boxes may turn into editable paragraphs, and images or shapes might be placed as separate elements. Some fonts and spacing can shift slightly during conversion, but the goal here is to get a workable, editable version inside Word. Once the content opens and looks good enough to work with, make it a true Word file. Go to File, choose Save As, and set the file type to Word document, which is .docs. Pick a location, give it a name you'll recognize, and save it. You now have a standard Word document created from your Canva design. There's also a faster method if you're using a Canva doc specifically, which is Canva's document style format. If your project is a Canva doc, open it, click Share, then Download. In the file type list, you'll see Docs available. Click Docs, then Download to get a Word-ready file instantly. This direct export is ideal for text-heavy documents and usually preserves headings and paragraphs with minimal cleanup. Keep in mind, this Docs option appears when you're working with a Canva doc design type, not every design. That's it. Thanks for watching.